Have you ever wondered why two farmers can buy chicks from the same hatchery on the same day, using the same feed brand? Yet after just 1 week, one farmer's chicks look strong, bright, and weigh nearly 5 times more, while the others are weak, small, and already struggling. It's not luck. It's not genetics. It's about what happens in the first few hours of brooding. Because here's the truth. Once you lose growth in week 1, you can never truly recover it. In fact, for every 1 gram lost in week 1, your birds lose about 7 grams at harvest. Now multiply that across hundreds of birds, and you'll see why so many farms never hit target weights. But here's the good news. There's a simple, science-backed way to help your chicks grow 5 times their weight naturally in just the first week. And that's exactly what this video is all about. Welcome back to the channel, the place where we share practical, proven poultry secrets to help you raise healthier, stronger, and faster-growing birds the natural way. Before we dive deeper, do me a small favor. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our powerful poultry videos. And while you're at it, drop a comment below to tell me where you're watching from. I love hearing from farmers all around the world. It helps us know the amazing poultry community we're building together. Now, let's uncover the real secret behind early growth and survival in broilers, and the common mistakes that silently destroy chick performance before they even touch their first feed. When chicks arrive from the hatchery, they've already been through a lot. Sexing, vaccination, transport, and hours without food or water. At this stage, they're extremely vulnerable. Most farmers know to heat the brooder before the chicks arrive, but few realize that if the litter temperature is below 30 degrees Celsius, the chicks lose heat through their tiny feet. That one small mistake forces them to use feed energy just to stay warm, instead of using it for growth. But if you overheat the brooder, it's another disaster. Chicks will pant, drink excessively, stop eating, and the litter becomes wet, creating a perfect breeding ground for coccidiosis. That's why successful brooding is both a science and an art. The crop fill test, a farmer's early warning system. Here's a simple but powerful test every farmer should do. After 24 hours in the brooder, 95 to 100% of your chicks should have full crops. That means their crops feel soft and round, filled with feed and water. If less than 95% are full, you already have uneven growth, weak immunity, and early mortality developing. And here's another check for chick strength. Place a chick on its back. If it can stand up in 3 seconds or less, it's a healthy bird. If not, you're dealing with a weak chick that needs extra care. Little checks like these often determine whether your farm succeeds or struggles. The secret to 5 times growth. Now let's reveal the secret that separates top-performing farmers from the rest. Chicks that grow 5 times their weight in the first week aren't lucky. They've simply benefited from early feeding and good brooding management. At hatching, a chick still carries its yolk sac, which provides nutrients. But here's what many farmers don't realize. Fasting chicks for long periods after hatching damages their immunity. When you feed chicks immediately upon arrival, you help them absorb the yolk faster, develop a stronger gut, activate digestive enzymes, strengthen immune organs like the bursa and thymus. On the other hand, delaying feed for even 24 to 48 hours means the yolk remains unused. Stress hormones rise and the immune system weakens. Early nutrition literally programs the chick's body for fast growth, better health, and stronger survival. The science of early feeding. Here's how it works on a deeper level. 1. Gut development. Early feeding stimulates gut lining development and encourages beneficial bacteria, microflora, to grow. These good microbes act like an army that protects the chick from harmful bacteria like E. coli. 2. Immune strength. Studies show that chicks fed early develop larger immune organs, which produce more protective cells to fight diseases like Newcastle and coccidiosis. 3. Feed efficiency. Early fed chicks use their feed more efficiently. They convert nutrients into muscle instead of burning energy to survive. This means early nutrition isn't just about keeping chicks alive. It's about setting the foundation for profit and performance. The ideal brooding setup, 13 to 1600 hours. To make early feeding successful, preparation is key. White heavy checkmark: preheat your brooder at least 24 hours before chicks arrive. Litter temperature, 30 degrees Celsius. Air temperature, 32 degrees Celsius. Humidity, 60 to 70%. White heavy checkmark: provide clean, warm water. You can add natural glucose or honey for quick energy. White heavy checkmark: spread feed on clean paper so chicks can easily find it. White heavy checkmark: use bright light for the first 48 hours to encourage feeding activity. If chicks arrive and your setup isn't ready, every hour you delay costs you growth. Crop fill monitoring and common mistakes. After 24 hours, recheck crop fill again. If you notice empty or hard crops, check if drinkers are functioning. Ensure feed is evenly spread and easy to access. Confirm brooder temperature and light are ideal. Observe chick behavior. Are they huddling, panting, or scattered? Remember, chicks that are cold or stressed won't eat, even with feed right in front of them. Tiny management errors can lead to uneven feeding, stunted chicks, and slow growth. The true cost of delay. When early feeding is delayed, the damage goes beyond lost time. Up to 5% of chicks may die in the first few days, not from disease, but from weak immunity and poor digestion. Those that survive remain smaller and less efficient in converting feed to meat. By the end of the production cycle, they eat more, grow slower, and return less profit. But when you apply early nutrition correctly, you can achieve near 100% survival, faster growth, and heavier weights at harvest. Now that you know how powerful early nutrition is, ask yourself this. Are you setting your chicks up for success from the moment they arrive? Or are you unknowingly starting the cycle of loss before it even begins? Because in poultry, the first 24 hours are the foundation of your entire flock success. If this video has opened your eyes to what's really possible in brooding, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and share it with another farmer who needs this knowledge. And don't forget to comment where you're watching from. I love connecting with passionate farmers from every corner of the world. Up next, watch our video on the natural formula that revives weak or dying chicks in just 24 hours. Click it here, and I'll see you in the next one.